Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add drop-down menu in Wix. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to just go ahead and open your browser, search for wix.com and sign in your account. Once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on this edit site button at the upper right side of your screen. And once you've done that, you should see this page or your site page. Now click on this pages and menu button at the left side of your screen. Now just go ahead and add the page that you want. So as you can see, I have the home, contact, about, learn more, and more sections, okay, or page on my site. So to add more page, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the add page button right here. Then select any page that you want. So for example, this projects. So select the page that you want and click on add page. Just like that. So you now adding on my page. And now if you want to create a drop down menu, what you need to do is to just go ahead and let me just wait. So for example, I want to move this contact under about, okay, and or I'm just gonna go ahead and put the contact under the general and about under general and learn more about general, okay, to create a drop down button, okay. So to do that, select the specific page that you want to move, then drag it under the specific page that you want to put it, where you want to put it. So just like that. Now as you can see, let me just go ahead and as you can see, I have home, about, learn more, general, and more, okay? So when I move the learn more below general, as you can see, that the learn more is removed from this section. Okay, so again, so projects, let me just go ahead and move it right here. So just like that. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the publish button right here. Or let me just go ahead and save it first. Then, then let me just go ahead and publish it. Let me just go ahead and view my site to check if the drop down button that we made is working. So once you click on yes, general, as you can see, we have this pages below general. Okay. So now that is how you add drop down menu in Wix. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.